It is essential to clean the Code Airbrush machine following each use to maintain optimal performance, enhance longevity, ensure hygiene, and guarantee consistent high-quality professional results. Before cleaning, ensure the airbrush machine is turned off and disconnected from the power source. Disconnect the hose. Next, disconnect the fluid cup from the airbrush and rinse with water. Run water through the fluid cup opening to flush any remaining stain from the airbrush. Connect the hose and the fluid cup to the airbrush machine and turn on the power source. Fill the fluid cup with a small amount of airbrush cleaning solution or isopropyl alcohol and secure the fluid cup cover. Spray the cleaning solution through the airbrush to flush, removing any remaining product residue from the internal components. Disconnect the hose. Disconnect the fluid cup and rinse with water before setting aside to dry. Unscrew the airbrush handle and the needle chucking net. Gently guide the needle from the back of the airbrush. Wipe the needle with airbrush cleaning solution or isopropyl alcohol until clean. If deeper cleaning is required, submerge the needle in the cleaner for a few minutes to remove any remaining product, then rinse thoroughly with water. If required, use the soft bristled cleaning brushes included with the Code Airbrush machine to gently scrub away any dried product or residue. Be cautious not to damage the delicate components. After rinsing, use a paper towel to dry each component thoroughly. To reassemble the airbrush, gently guide the needle back into the machine and secure the needle chucking net. Screw on the handle and reconnect the hose and fluid cup to the airbrush. Pay close attention to the alignment of the needle chucking net and handle to prevent air leaks. Use a paper towel or clean microfiber cloth to wipe the exterior of the airbrush machine. Finally, set the airbrush in the holder. The Code Airbrush machine is now clean and assembled. Store the airbrush machine and its components in a clean, dry space to help prevent any contamination or damage between uses. To learn more about Code's professional services, visit www.browcode.com.